it's Jessica Bishop from the Budget Savvy Bride, and I just wanted to share this little tutorial to show you how we're going to make these DIY Will You Be My Bridesmaid proposal boxes using the Cricut and the Cricut Design Space. So we're going to start out with a blank file in Design Space, and you're going to select Upload Images. And as you can see, I've already uploaded the image here into Design Space, but all you'll need to do is click Upload Image and select the Bridesmaids proposal box file that you downloaded from the blog. And then once you have it uploaded, you will just click Insert Image. And as you can see, it imports a little bit small into Design Space. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this file 7 inches high. That'll make it the right proportions based on the dimensions for the box. And so what we need to do now is insert score lines to make it easier for you to fold this box and assemble it once you've printed it and then cut it with the Cricut. So what we need to do here is click Insert Shape, and you're going to select Score Line. So as you can see, it inserted this dotted line into Design Space, and what we're going to want to do is put this score line and multiples of these score lines in every single space that you're going to want the machine to give you a score line to fold the box. So we're going to start out here, and you're going to want to connect the points between the two flaps here on the side. So you can click this little arrow icon and drag it to make it as short as long as you need, so that you get it perfectly aligned with the dimensions of the box. So we just got our first one, and I'm just going to continue doing this for the other vertical score lines that are needed. So these are both sides of the box from point to point, and then we're going to scroll down. It helps if you zoom in so you can get it really aligned with those points. And so we're going to take this, and these are flaps here on the bottom that will fold in, and you'll use to add the adhesive to keep the box together. So we'll just put the score line there and drag it to make it the right length. And again on the right side. Right. Ta-da. And then we are going to now move on to the horizontal line. So as you can see, when you import a score line into Design Space, it comes in vertical. But all you need to do is click on this little rotator icon, and if you hold down the Shift key when you move your mouse, it'll do it in 45-degree angles. So you want it to be perfectly straight, and this helps it to be perfectly straight as you rotate it. So now that I've got a horizontal line, I'm going to click it and drag it up here, and you can see there's like a very tiny point that you can see is the top flap where it allows you to close the box. So put that one in there, and then we'll move on to the next one, which goes all the way across the entire box. And I'm just going to line this up with the very bottom of these points here, as you can see for the flaps. So that's the guide that I'm kind of using to line up this line. And then you'll just stretch it all the way across the box. And we're going to do that again for the other end at the bottom. Sorry about that. Zoomed in a little bit. And you're just going to click it and drag it to stretch it across the box. So this is the back of the box. This is the top inside lid, the right side, the left side. And now this area is the bottom. So this will be our last score line that we need to add. Okay, so we are going to just drag this here, line it up, with the edge of our box and aligned with the other two lines, and voila. So now we have all of the score lines we need, and doing this is going to make it so much easier to fold and assemble this box once it's been print and cut by your Cricut. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to visit thebudgetsavvybride.com to see this full tutorial and how to make this adorable project.